The U.S. Labor Department says that more than 70% of the current jobs require more than a high school education, but less than a bachelor's degree. There are plenty of high-paying jobs with outstanding career paths that don't require a four-year education. Four-year college degrees aren't for everyone.
My training at NCC has helped me get a lot better job than I did have or could have gotten. Of course, it's better pay, which is important to everybody. Gave me a lot of training that opened a lot of doors for different avenues to go into: machining, drafting, design. That in itself gave me a job that I could go to daily and be happy with, feel good about, come home and enjoy life.
The community college educational system is doing a great job preparing workers for the manufacturing industry. The problem is, there just aren't enough people going to the schools to keep up with the demand of the industry. The manufacturing programs being offered by community colleges, like NCC, might be just what some kids are looking for. I chose NCC for my education because they offer some key manufacturing programs that businesses are looking for. The manufacturing group includes both 1- and 2-year programs, like general machining, engineering drafting and computer-aided design, manufacturing engineering technology, and welding. They've even got a program called production welding that gets you trained and working in a single semester.
As an advisory committee, we work with the college to ensure that the programs have the content that help us motion prepare the students for the workforce, for the real world when they get out there. We've discussed things that he does in his class that are relevant to what we need in the industry itself. Over 98% of those who graduate from one of the manufacturing programs find employment in a related field.
I chose NCC because I believe valuable instruction is more than just reading textbooks. Unlike four-year colleges, where students spend a lot of class time listening to lectures and taking notes, technical colleges like NCC are designed so students spend time with hands-on training.
NCC gave me the fundamental skills to operate within a manufacturing environment. Now, there's always room to grow. You have to learn. You have to put those tools to work. But they gave me some good fundamental working tools to accelerate when I got into the workforce. And there's no doubt that I wouldn't be where I'm at today without them. I enjoyed the smaller classes. We got really good one-on-one time with instructors that were able to answer more questions. What I liked about the program is it gave me hands-on experience on the capabilities of machine tools and also electrical systems.
The manufacturing companies love NCC grads. They show up at work knowing how to use the equipment, they're immediately productive, and viewed as a real asset to the company.
The students that come from NCC are all very well educated in mathematics, computer-aided design, strength of materials, hydraulics. All of these areas are very important to us for an entry-level designer. Over the past 17 years, 7 of 8 designer positions have been filled with NCC graduates. What the NCC designers bring us is the ability to break down the big picture into its individual tasks, being able to determine all of the necessary details that need to be accomplished before it's released for production. And we feel our NCC graduates do a very good job in that area.
We have two gentlemen that I have experience with that have gone through the machining course, and they have been instant success stories for us as far as employer-employee relationships go. I've been able to take them and put them into a setup environment here. They've been able to do things that would probably take you 2 or 3 years to achieve if you hadn't gone through the course. I need the above average type people here for me to be successful. You've got to be a visionary, and to be a great CNC operator, you've got to be able to see the unknown.
As we implement our mission of knowledge-based manufacturing and automation, we have a good partnership with Northwest Iowa Community College. We have graduates working here. They're mostly working in computer programming, machine tool programming, and in the operation of some of this high-tech machinery. Automation is the key. Several of these machines run unattended or minimally attended up to 8-10 hours between operator intervention. So it takes more than just a hands-on machinist. It takes a person with some computer knowledge, some classroom skills, good math skills, ability to solve problems, and some decision making. All those are key elements in a good operator.
And finally, I like NCC because they help you find a job.
I don't think without the training at NCC, I would have found a job I like as much as I do today. The placement office at NCC helped me find this position. I've been here for 7 years and I'm happy with it and plan on being here for many more years.
I hope we've been able to help you get a better image of modern manufacturing. It all makes sense. If you give manufacturing a serious consideration, you'll see that there are some awesome opportunities available.
Why not make some great products while making a career for yourself in manufacturing? You can make it with manufacturing.